Steam clean dirt and grime off of literally every surface in your home quickly with just water. It's lightweight, it's easy to use. It's the handheld steamer, but it has 11 different accessories so that you're going to be able to do your floors, your toilets, your windows, your oven door. I mean, you name it. I'm even going to be able to do my jewelry that I just brought home from Italy. This is fantastic. I can't wait to hear more about it. Right now, we're saving over $20 on this. Christopher Joyce, come on in right away because I've never presented this guy before. I want to know all about it.
Well, yeah, it is an awesome, awesome steam cleaner. Wagner, a name that we can, a brand that we know that we can trust. And you are seeing the mountains of steam that this handheld steamer creates, unlike any other steamer and like any other handheld steamer I've ever introduced here to QVC. It's so easy to use. You get the fill cup, you fill it with 250 milliliters of water, which is about 9 ounces. You let it heat up. Honestly, it takes about, I find about 3 minutes. The claim is 9 minutes. Heat it up. Because it's a boiler, it is pressurized, powerized steam. So as soon as I touch the button, it is producing mounds and mounds of that steam, which is hotter than boiling water. And this way you're going to be able to do deep cleaning in your home, Rosina, without using any chemical cleaner. So I wanted to start with the demo using the squeegee, and then we're going to go through all the different attachments that you're getting, because you're getting 11 different accessories. I'm going to go to my second camera because I'm going to show you the best way to use the squeegee. So imagine your shower door, the glass shower door. Imagine those glass walls maybe that you have, maybe that mounds and mounds of tile. Look at what this is going to do. It literally is melting away, Rosina, all the mineral deposits, the soap scum, you name it, it's taking care of it. And the most important thing is that you are not using any chemical cleaners. I'm going to walk away that steam. Look at the difference. There's your before and there's your after. And you didn't have to use chemicals, Rosina, just the power of this incredible steam that is powerized by this Wagner steamer.
It's so good. It's so good. Right? It's very lightweight as well. That's the first thing that I'm paying attention to, right? And I keep on just putting out the mounds of steam right here too. But what I'm excited about is that it's not just because we present the steam cleaners for the floor and we're like, great. And I love that, right? Because I love to steam clean the floors.
Yeah.
But this guy does my floors, but also does everything else in the house.
Well, that's it. It does from the floor to the ceiling, which is really important. Most handheld steamers, that's not going to happen. You're not going to go from the floor to the ceiling. But this one, you're getting the floor attachment with that really nice extension, 2 extension wands, and then the floor pad. So you're going to be able to clean from the floor to the ceiling, to the car, inside, outside, garage, bathroom, kitchen, you name it. And there you see we're even giving you a garment steamer attachment so you can easily do your sofas, your couches, your dog beds, all those things that maybe you cannot put in the washing machine. You finally have a way to steam clean them.
Love it. Love this. Okay, what's the next demo? Because I don't have any. I have nothing to clean. Well, I have nothing to clean here.
It's all good. That's why I'm here, Rosina. I got you. I got you. So my second camera, take a look at this. Is a glass stovetop. How would you clean this? You're worried about scratching it. Now you don't have to. Almost instantly, that baked on, caked on mess that was on that glass stovetop, it is literally emulsifying. What do we mean by emulsifying? It's just breaking down, literally melting away, just like it did that soap scum. I'm going to take my cloth. Sorry, I'm almost having to. It is so powerful. The steam is unbelievably powerful. Look at that, Rosina. Literally within 5 to 10 seconds, I have cleaned the mess off of that burned on, caked on mess. No problem, not using any chemicals, just the power of perfect steam. Let's go to something else here. I'm going to switch out, Rosina, I'm going to switch out to the little angled nozzle. Well, first of all, we're seeing the tape here. That's going to allow you to see all around the house really quickly and efficiently. You see what a great job it's going to do on the grout. all those detailed areas that are difficult to get to, now you're going to be able to get to with the angled nozzle and the brushes that we give to you. There's an extension hose that we give you. That's going to be perfect to clean your windows, your shower doors, you name it. Take it to the car. You won't believe what a great job just steam is going to clean without using chemically based cleaners. That's what I love about steam cleaning. You're truly deep cleaning, but we're moving the chemicals out of our home.
Listen, if you want to try this right now, you can get we're going to send this home to you, free shipping and handling. Plus, this is normally like $90. We're at $69.98, free ship. This is going to do it all for you, all 11 pieces. And this one right here is the one that turns into the floor cleaner, right? And then you have that little, is this the one that you're going to use now, this little nozzle right here?
Yeah, I used the little nozzle on the glass stovetop. I used the squeegee accessory on the glass shower door, the little mini prop that I had. Now I'm going to use this smaller angled nozzle, and this smaller angled nozzle is going to be perfect for those areas like this, like a shower door track that you don't even know how to clean. You would typically have to bust your knuckles. But watch this. With the power of steam, now I'm able to get that detailed area, taking away the mold, the mildew, all the that's in there, keeping my hand away from the mess, not busting my knuckles, not having to use a chemically based cleaner. And take a look at this, Rosina. Look at the difference. Look at how I got rid of all that nastiness, all the mold, the mildew, the junk that's in there, no problem, and I didn't have to use a chemically based cleaner.
And that's the thing. It's not even to the point of like,
exactly.
oh, I wonder, does this work? We all know the power of steam. That's the thing. We all know it, right? We've learned it our whole lives. We've used it.
We have.
This is just a fantastic machine that Wagner brings us, that you don't need now the steamer for the floor, now a steamer for to do for the bathroom. You have with one machine, because it comes with the 11 accessories, you're able to do the whole entire home. And we know the power of steam. And if you don't know it, Google it. But so many of us are also trying to get away from the chemical-based cleaners, more so now than ever, Chris. So this is what you need.
Absolutely, and this is the way to do it. So just thinking about using boiling water to create that steam, and then it's powerized with this unbelievable boiler that Wagner puts together in their steam cleaners so that you can get power on demand. What do I mean by that? It means as soon as I hit this nozzle, you are getting steam immediately. You're not having to wait. That's the beautiful thing, because it is pressurized. It is actually a boiler in here. And now, with this wonderful attachment for your couches, for your soft surfaces all around the house, this is a car seat. Look what an incredible job it's doing of taking care of that fabric, refreshing it. How about your couches? You certainly can't put that in the washing machine. This is just a cushion, but I'm just showing you how you can easily refresh all these areas in your home using the power of steam and perfect clean that steam provides.
You know, it's funny because I keep talking about, listen, I'm 36 hours out of my trip to Italy. And when I was there, I love that. And I was with, you know, the jewelry buyers and the whole jewelry team. And I remember somebody that we were with, they were like, oh, I had a diamond ring on, my only diamond ring that I have from Affinity that I have, but I'm very happy with. And he's like, it's a little dingy. I'm like, yeah, I know. And he's like, you need to get it steamed. And I said, oh, okay. He's like, yeah. I said, do you have? He's like, no, I have the machine at my factory, you know, back in Rome, I don't know what. So now, you know, you just, it brings that to my attention that if I have this, I can steam clean like the professionals do to the jewelry. I'm just throwing that out there.
and when they detail your car, in order to do it professionally, they are using the power of steam. So all that brake dust that was on here, look what it did. It instantly took it off just using the power of steam. One last demo for you, Rosina, before we go. I want to show you what it does on tile, but not only on the tile, on the grout as well. So take a look at this. Again, steam on demand. Literally, as soon as I touch that button, Rosina, you are getting that unbelievable pressurized steam. Going to my second camera to show you what an incredible this is going to do on taking away all the soap scum. But even more importantly, Rosina, it's also taking care of all that dirty grout that we tend to encounter, whether it's the mold, the mildew. But it is the power of steam that's melting through all that soap scum. And look at this. It brought back that tile to brand new, and I didn't have to use a chemically based cleaner. Absolutely stunning, just with the power of steam.
It's awesome. Listen, free shipping and handling. You have 30 days to love it or send it back. Go cuckoo with the steam in your home. If you don't love it, you can send it back. But this is, it's a good one. I'm definitely considering this. And not just for my one Affinity Diamond ring, but for the whole house.
Thank you, Rosina. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Chris. I'll see you in a minute.
You bet.